YouTube, what's the word? It's SS family, we back again with another one. Out here in the shot area, man. It's hot as hell today, man. It's got to be at least about 95 out here. But hey, I'm enjoying the weather. But I got business to take care of. We finna ride up here to the auction out here in Masson, Illinois. They call it Manheim, Chicago. I got to pick up a 2009 Suburban. Just bought it Thursday. Paid somewhere around $2 grand for it. Trying to do a quick flip. I'll take, you know, somewhere around like 4, maybe 35 for it. We'll see what kind of shape it's in when we go pick it up. From the pictures, seemed like it was gonna need some tires or whatnot, a couple more things, but you know, we always in for a surprise when we pick them up. Shit, we never know. But we gonna get up here now, man, and see what we got on our hands. So hopefully everything is cool with it. You know, I've been buying a couple projects that need some shit, and everything just costs money, man. So I'm trying to get it all together. But in the meantime, after that, I got a few more things on my list that I got to take care of, starting with the Monte Carlo. Need to shoot out there to Milwaukee, get an update on what's going on with the body work. I was hoping he'd be finished by now, but I know it'd take more, you know, more time than I projected. So I ain't rushing them or nothing like that. I just need to go out there and to get an update on it. So it's that. And then if you watch my prior videos, y'all seen I had the 2015 Yukon, working on getting that sold. I'm still waiting for the title for that. So that's the only thing. So once I get that, then I could pop that off. The Suburban, I had that for sale, and bought myself a new toy too. But I'll show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, y'all just sit back, man. I'm gonna take this ride up here, and I'll catch y'all in a few. Peace. Alright, YouTube, we back, and man, they done stuck your boy, man. They got my ass stuck again. No homo, man, but man, this getting out of hand, man. I keep banning this bullshit. Ah, man. So overall, she don't look bad, but she got a lot of issues going on. First thing I noticed though was the power steering. It was tight, so I put some fluid in there. It's got to have a leak somewhere, but it helped it straighten up where I could actually get some actual steering, because it was tight. You know how you gotta muscle it. I had to muscle it a little bit, but I had got it to the gas station when I was checking over the fluids. The power steering was low, so I was able to take care of that. So that was the first issue. Second issue, I got an antifreeze leak. I don't know if it's coming out right now, but I could definitely smell it. You can see it a little bit. You see that little drip right there. So it's got an antifreeze leak. That was the second problem. And could have lived with all that shit, man, but when I got to the final straw, started driving it, trans gone, man. Just need a new trans. The check engine light popped on, so I got my scan tool with me. We're gonna throw that on there and see what the actual code is. But this is what happened when you buy cars without checking them. Now at the auction I go to, they used to let you test drive them, but now all of a sudden they don't want you to test drive them. They don't even want you to bring your code reader with you. Allegedly, they had their own code readers on the car when you bring the car in the gate that's supposed to read the code, but it's just a bunch of BS, because when I looked at it, the code ain't even pop up. So I'm gonna end up checking it myself, seeing what it is. I'm thinking I'm gonna need a transmission though. I'm kind of sure though, but you know, overall it's a clean truck. I don't know if it's worth fixing. It do got see how many miles was on it. Yeah, a lot of miles on it. 224. So I can't be mad at nobody but myself. You know, usually these are they'll run all the way through the 2s, 250, 300. They pretty good trucks. So just gotta, I don't know, check into it a little bit more, see what else I could do to get it straight. But right now I'm kind of upset, I ain't gonna lie. But like I said, it don't fall on nobody but me. I gotta do better homework when I'm checking these cars out. It's money on the line. Yeah, the truck was only $2 grand, but still, shit, I could have spent that $2 grand on something else, or something that could potentially make me some more money. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna throw this code reader on here and go ahead and see what the problem is. And then, oh yeah, on top of that, these tires, boy, they shot. They some little ridge grapplers, but you can see them boys is out of there. They done. So all that little knick-knack bullshit, I could have lived with it, but I can't live with the transmission. So I'm gonna put the scan tool on it like I said, and go ahead and see what it is. Let's get a look at this back seat. Yeah, like the interior, pretty good shape. Windshield washer fluid, or is that antifreeze? Probably one of the two, I don't know. But yeah, the interior is good. It's a Z71 4-wheel drive, so that was a good thing. But I don't know, man. Let me put this scan tool on here. So the check engine light on, you can see that. Got my scan tool. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna check the transmission, see if it's got any trans code. Got 2 codes. I don't know what I hit. Let me see. I'm gonna hit read code. No codes are stored in module, but it's clearly on the dash, so no, that ain't right. Let me see. Matter of fact, let's see. Oh, there you go. Previous menu. Okay. Let's go down. Automatic trans. Let's see what this turns out. Okay, there we go. P0741. Torque converter clutch circuit performance stuck off. So that's what we're looking at. So this says 1 and 3. Torque converter clutch circuit performance stuck off. So 3 codes is all the same. So I got an issue going on with the torque converter clutch. So it's a little out of my league. I kind of familiar with what it is, but I had to shoot it over to my boy Vic and get a final opinion. And worst case scenario, might have to swap the trans out. Wasn't looking forward to doing that, but I don't know. We'll see. Might could get a deal on the trans. If I ain't mistaken, I know because we out here in the Chicago area, so I get most of my parts from LKQ, and I think the last time I looked at one, it was about 1500 or something, but really wasn't trying to put that much in it. Not because it's a bad truck, just because of the miles. Like, it do got a 224 on the miles, so it is a Z71. So these always been like one of my favorite trucks, especially like the Tahoe, the Suburban. It's cool, but it's a little too long, so I always like the actual Tahoe. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna go back home and sit back and think about this for a minute. I'll make my decision, but like I said, this is just how shit goes, man. When you selling used cars, you run across everything. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So if you're a sore loser, this definitely ain't the game for you. I will say that. I'm used to winning. Oh man, look at that antifreeze leak, man. It done got 10 times worse. Yeah, it's pissing out, man. So yeah, I don't want this thing to overheat. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Take it back to the crib. I don't want it to overheat. I don't want it to run out of antifreeze. Man, that shit is, damn. Yeah, it's all good, man. But I'll catch y'all in a few, man. I'm gonna shoot back to the crib. Yeah, trying to rush. Damn, just jerked on. Trying to rush this boy to the crib, man. Make this turn real quick. Yeah, that's how it go. Can't be mad, man. Only thing I can do is enjoy this weather. Go home. So, give y'all a little glimpse of what I got back at the crib. On a positive note. Been out riding, man, enjoying the summer. You know, I got the vet, so I've been out riding that. Got another little toy at the crib. I give y'all a little glimpse. I was gonna save it for the next video. So, but I'll give y'all a little sneak preview on what I got. So, but yeah, it's all good, man. Like I said, you win some, you lose some when you're dealing with these cars, and you know, if you could win every hand, you'd be rich. I mean, every car I bought, I'd be able to get back, put it on the market, and get it gone right away. I'd be a rich man, but that's how the game goes. So I ain't gonna sit back and cry about it. I just keep moving forward. I don't really let stuff discourage me. So it is what it is. I'm a fighter. I always been like that, man. So it's just in my nature. So we're gonna get this thing back. I'm gonna cut this off. I think I see the police down there, man. I ain't trying to get pulled over, ride around with the camera and shit. So catch y'all in one hot second. Alright, so we made it back, man. Back at the crib. At least I get to look at something I actually love, man. But I want to give y'all a little sneak preview of what else I got. Make it real quick. Hold on. Yeah, let me see. I'll walk over there, give y'all a little glimpse. I'm gonna save it for the next video though, man. Give y'all full detail in it. But your boy went here and copped a little 740. I know, man, it's a depreciating asset. I know they don't hold no value or whatever, but this one got the B58 in it, so I gave it a shot. I went ahead and copped that though. But this is a little sneak preview. That's all y'all gonna get on that one though. One good thing, got the Yukon finished. She ready to go. Just wait for the title. Everything always a process, so just gotta wait. But yeah, it is what it is, man. Yeah, so we'll figure everything out. Probably not today. Probably running Suburban up there to him tomorrow. Try to get everything together. Like I said, man, you in this game, you can't be no sore loser. You got to keep going. So I've been in this car game since 2008, 2009, somewhere around there, and I know how it goes. So I'm just taking one day at a time. I got some more content coming on the BMW. I'm gonna do that in couple car shows. I'm gonna start pushing out too once I go to them, these videos. So man, you know, I'm gonna end it today, man, just by saying, man, I'm thankful, man, and I appreciate all y'all watching. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so we moving up. You know, I know I could probably do way more for the channel. I'm just kind of in the midst of, you know, doing other stuff, trying to maintain family or whatever, but it's no excuse. I got to do better towards the channel, and that's my goal for this year, to actually get monetized, but getting real close to it. I appreciate all y'all watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Y'all be safe out here, and enjoy your Juneteenth. Happy Father's Day. That already passed to all the fathers, and I'll catch y'all later. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.